Hey guys, welcome back to Manicro Custom Guitars, and today we're on Fusion 360 because following my previous video about the body blank alignment hose, somebody requested more details about the fusion part of that operation. So here we are on Fusion 360, and the first thing that I have is a 3D model of my CNC bed. Now you can clearly see that there are various holes, and the bigger holes are used for mounting the plywood bed to the aluminum extrusion bed, and the other small ones are used for hold downs. Now these ones which are highlighted, these are the alignment holes for the body blanks. These are not used for hold downs. These are only used for alignment. And I have 8 more holes, and these are used for the neck blank alignment holes. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to talk only for the body pins. Regarding the neck pins, it's the same operation and same procedure. Now that I have the CNC bed modeled out and I have the holes for the pins modeled out as well, it's time to have a reference point for the 0, 0 position of the CNC. And that would be this point here. As I mentioned in the previous episode, I have various profiles on my Mach 3 for the CNC, and the profile that I use to machine these holes, it's called body blanks profile. And I know that on the profile, this point will be 130 mil from the edge of the bed, and it's precisely in the middle of the X-axis travel. If I go on the manufacturing tab, as you can see, this is the body setup. I have the 0, 0 on that exact point. If you are curious why I have 8 holes rather than 4, it's because sometimes the body blanks tend to be a bit smaller or a bit shorter. So like so, I can clearly have various points for various dimensions. So basically, this is a simple, boring operation, which is right here. It's a bore operation. And obviously I chose those 8 holes, and as you can see, I'm using an 8mm cutter, and in this pass I'm going deep enough to clear the plywood part of my CNC bed. And this operation is to drill the holes on the actual bed. Regarding the body blanks, I have 2 more operations, which are the same copy as the previous one, but this, as you can see, there is a 40 mil and the other one is a 44 mil. These have obviously same location, but it's doing a cut. As you can see, it's protruding from the CNC bed. It has a depth of cut of 40 mil because sometimes my body blanks are 40 mil and the other one, it's much more deeper. It's at 44 mil, roughly 1.75 inches, and these two are used to drill the actual holes on the body blanks. I'm using the same operation for the CNC bed, it's just that I'm changing the depth of cut, and I'm keeping the same homing location as the same as the profile which I will be cutting these holes. An important note to mention, the center line of the bed, it has to be the same as the center part of my CNC, and like so, I can easily machine the top part of the blank, remove the pins, flip the blank over, install the pins in the same locations, but this time it will be bottom up, and machine different operations and keeping the same center line, so the cuts will be perfectly symmetrical. I can actually cut half of the profile of the body, flip the body, cut the other half, the remaining half from underneath, and have a perfect match regarding the two pads. And regarding the neck, I have the same setup. I'm not going to do a video about the neck blank. I have the same setup, those 8 holes. This will be the tool pad for the CNC bed. And this will be the tool pad for the actual blank. The only difference is the depth of cut, whereas the table neck pins goes all the way to the bottom of the CNC bed, where the neck blank pins, they're like between 20 to 28 mil deep. I don't have to go all the way down for a full cut. The only difference between the neck setup and the body setup, as you can see, is the location of the homing point. Obviously, the neck blank is longer, and I have the 0-0 position further close to the edge of the CNC bed. In fact, the distance from the edge is 1 centimeter, 10 mil, and for me, like this, is perfect to machine my necks. Again, I have to emphasize about the importance of the center line for this kind of procedure to work correctly, so you don't have to worry about when flipping the blank over, and you should be good to go. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and learned something from it. If you have furthermore comments or questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you're new to my channel, you're enjoying what you see, please I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be aware about my future releases. I'll do CNC and guitar related content. And guys, until the next time, take care and goodbye.